Okay guys, in today's video I thought I would come along and share with you how I've changed my living room for the end of the summer. This is how it is currently looking now, and I thought I could come along and give you some ideas or some inspiration if you were thinking about changing your room for the end of the summer. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so right here you're looking at these beautiful baby breath flowers. They come in a bundle of 6, and I have it in this vase. I believe I picked that up from Home Goods years ago. And right here I have this Capriz shell Lotus. It's a tea light holder, and it's in the color of passion. And I just love the way it contrasts with the flowers. And the mirror tray right here came from Home Goods years ago. And this ottoman, I already had the ottoman. I forget where I got that from. Right here I have some velvet throw pillow covers, and they're from Amazon. And guys, I will leave everything down in my description box. I'll leave the link so you can click on it if you're interested in getting any of these things for yourself. Okay, so right in front of it is another pillow throw, and it is a tulip print, and it's cotton linen. Okay, so, and you see the words on it, love is the beauty of the soul. I just thought that was so cute with the tulips on it. And over here I have my fleece blanket throw. It's from Amazon as well, and it is also in the color of purple, even though it's not coming off on camera as it is, but it is purple. And I just have this white leather throw pillow cover right there, and the same thing on this side. And guys, as you know, I said in my last video, my couch shades came from Wayfair, and that's how that looks. I have another throw pillow right there in faux leather, and this white rug right here I've showed you many times before. It is from Amazon as well. Try to show you both sides of it. Okay, so over here I have my stone elephant, and this is something I had painted white. It was in like a alabaster color, and I've had this from years from Burlington. And there's the stand, the pedestal, and the alabaster lamp that I've showed you many times before. And this is a new item. This is my Hourglass, and it has the purple sand in it. And right here I have my candle. It's in a purple jar. It's from White Barn. And I have my mirrored coasters here. That's a DIY. And also this mirrored box here is a DIY also. I made this to hold my coasters in. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. And underneath I just have my lantern. And over here is another lamp that's the same as the other side. And I just have my diffuser over there that I put my essential oils in. And right here is a vase that's from the Dollar Tree and Dollar Tree flowers as well. And I have these purple pillar candles here. They actually came from Amazon as well. They're not scented, but I just love the color. They are so vibrant and so pretty. And they're sitting on some mirrored coasters that are from the Dollar Tree. Oh, and if I didn't tell you, this end table, both are the same. They came from, I want to say Amazon, but I'm not sure. So yeah, I believe it's Amazon. Okay, so I'm not going to go over everything on this bookcase. I just wanted to show you that I have changed things in it. Just a couple of things, changed it around a little bit. Right here I put my books vertical opposed to laying them down for a different look. And I put my Z Gallery boxes um, over here on the shelf. So that's how I just change things around. I'm not going to go over everything and make this video extra long, okay? Because I have a lot of little knickknacks. Okay, so yeah, that's that. And over here on the fireplace, I have these wall sconces. They are a DIY, and I decided to put them over here on the fireplace. And I have the candles there, and I just tied a bow around them, one on each side. And guys, this is my newest find. This is a Z Gallery purchase, and it's a large, I believe it's called a Solaris vase. I'm not sure, but it is a vase, and I was so happy when I saw this because it was on sale, I believe for $18.99, I believe, and I just couldn't believe it. And I've been seeing people use this on their videos, and I just had to have one. So when I saw this one on sale, I hurried up and snatched it up, okay? And I have some purple rocks up in there. So guys, please forgive this line right here. This is to my TV, and I'm in a rental, so I can't be just like putting holes in the wall to hide the cords and everything. So please just try to ignore that cord right there, because oh, it's so hideous right there. I hate it, but I don't know. I don't know what solution I'm going to do to hide that. So if you got any ideas for me, if you're in a rental and you can't be putting holes all in the wall like that, give me some ideas of what I can do to hide that cord. And it's a short cord at that, so yeah. Okay, so over here on the other shelf, it's basically the same. I switch a couple of things around in it. The books I did the same. I put the other Z Gallery box there. Just did some little changes over there. So over here in my entryway, I have the same flower arrangement that I had in my last video. I hope you will click on that to see the changes that I made and the changes that I didn't make. Okay. This is a change. I added these mirrors up here. Yeah, they are from the Dollar Tree, and they were black, and I spray painted them white for a little wall art. And I put my columns over here with my Chanel candles. And I have my little lantern there. And this is the entryway. Now let's go over to the bar. Yeah, I finally changed some things around, guys. Not much, but I added more glam to it than it already was. I've added my DIY vase that I did on video a couple weeks ago, and I have these beautiful white feathers in here. They're gorgeous. And I placed some purple napkins over here so I could bring a little of the color on this side as well of the room. And I have these purple cloth towels over here for the bar. And guys, I always forget the curtains, so I'm going to go right over here and get these curtains. I hate that it's showing up so dark. I'm going to close the blinds and see, will that help a little bit so you can get an idea of what these blinds really look like. If I said blinds, I meant to say curtains look like. Okay, alrighty. Yeah, so these curtains are some purple curtains, and they have the silver, it's like a silver metallic lines going through them. They are absolutely gorgeous. When I saw them, I was like, I have to get these. They are beautiful. And these are from Amazon as well. Okay guys, so we made it back around the room again, and I hope that you enjoyed the video and all my silliness. And I most definitely hope that you got some inspiration from this to use purple. I've never used purple before, so this is a first for me. I didn't show you my new artwork up here. This is from Amazon as well. I finally took those flowers down, guys. I finally did it. Yay! I changed the artwork up here, and it takes some getting used to this because I'm used to my flowers being up there, but hey, I'm living with it. It's all right. It's okay. So guys, that's it. I'm going to get off of here. And remember, if you are new here, please think about subscribing and hitting that like button. And please give me a comment down below. And always share my videos. Okay guys, I love you. Bye bye my loves.